Good morning, guys. It's Jackie. I want you to go with me for a short walk after the rain to my garden. And it's a very short walk I want to do today. And go with me. So bear with my gray hair from my old age. I actually did not comb my hair today yet. Maybe later in the day. I just put it up on ponytail and that's it. And I really wanna walk with you guys. So that's why I just put everything and that's it. It's good to go. Let's go, guys. You know that all the vegetables in the garden likes the rain and they are look like they are so happy right now because of that rain, a little bit of rain we had. And here you can see a little bit tomatoes there. There's the cucumber. Cucumbers are doing good right now. Pumpkins are really have a lot of flowers and hopefully it's just not the flowers. All my gardens downhill are really happy from the rain that they just had experience. Look, finally the runner or climbing beans has blooms right now. They are blooming right now. Look at that apples, guys. I hope you enjoy our short garden walk today. And if you are new to my channel and enjoy my video, subscribe and click that bell notification so you don't miss anything. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!